How to create an Aliexpress account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Aliexpress. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. And here at the top, click on Register. After you've clicked on Register, you will find different options. Simply select Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'm simply selecting Google. After you've selected Google, simply click on your Google account that you want to log in from or create an account from. After you've clicked on your Google account, click on Continue in here. After you've pressed on Continue, you'll find this kind of screen pop up and it will create your account directly. And this is how to create an Aliexpress account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.